Imagine you find a house, $34,900, freehold, attached garage, serviced lot, 100 kilometers from a provincial capital. You look at it and you think, what is wrong with it? Because something has to be wrong with it. You are right, but the answer is not in the listing. 6 properties across Canada, all under $125,000, all sitting on the market for anywhere from 320 days to over 4 years. For each one, why nobody wanted it. And then the number that changes the picture entirely. At the end, I will rank them by that number. Not by price, not by condition, by the math. One of them I am putting at the bottom of the ranking, no matter what the price says. And one of them I am putting at the top for a reason that has nothing to do with how it looks in the photos. That ranking is coming at the end. Let's go through them. Property 1, Tracadie, New Brunswick, $125,000, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over half an acre in downtown, walking distance to everything, municipal water and sewer. Freehold, $125,000, 376 days on the market. Why nobody wanted it? The listing says some work is required. Electric baseboard heat. In a New Brunswick winter, that is a meaningful monthly cost. Crawl space basement. The listing is written in both English and French, with no photos optimized to reach buyers outside the region. Now someone did the math. The regional municipality of Tracadie is a functioning Acadian service center on the northeastern coast of New Brunswick, with over 400 local businesses. Population in 2021, 16,043. Stable. Highway 11 connects the region toward Miramichi and Bathurst. High-speed internet confirmed. Municipal water and sewer confirmed. The Historical Museum of Tracadie, the only museum in Canada presenting an outline of a 19th-century leper hospital, is a heritage landmark of this community. Over half an acre in the downtown core of a 16,000-person municipality. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, $125,000. Nobody wanted it. But the math says this is not a broken property in a broken town. As the math says, this is a property that needed a buyer willing to look past an unloved listing and do one calculation the market never bothered with. Property 2, Prince George, British Columbia, $105,000, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, full basement, 2 lots, natural gas forced air heat, freehold, $105,000, 411 days on the market. This property sold in June 2010 for $65,000. Why nobody wanted it? Court order sale. Those 3 words stopped most buyers before the second sentence. The listing description is 14 words long. The photo quality did not show the property in any light that made a buyer want to walk through the door. For court order sale plus a minimal listing in a city with other options is a combination that produces 411 days of silence. Now someone did the math. Prince George is the largest city in northern British Columbia. Population in 2021, 76,708, up from 71,974 in 2011. Growing in every census period. The University Hospital of Northern British Columbia at 3401 22nd Avenue has a 24-hour emergency department, intensive care, surgery, oncology, and regional tertiary care for northeastern BC. CN Rail runs 20 to 24 freights daily through the city. Highway 16 and Highway 97 intersect here, and this is the regional hub for the entire northern interior of British Columbia. 2 lots, full basement, natural gas heat, $105,000 in a growing city of 77,000 with a university hospital. Nobody wanted it because the listing made sure nobody would look. The math was there the whole time. Property 3, Rossburn, Manitoba, $105,000, 2 plus 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bungalow with finished basement, attached garage, fenced and treed backyard, all appliances included, sump pump and weeping tile updated, shingles replaced, municipal water and sewer, freehold, $105,000, 361 days on the market. Why nobody wanted it. And electric baseboard heat in Manitoba, where January in the Parkland region averages around -17 Celsius and cold snaps hit -30, is the most expensive way to heat a home. No natural gas listed. Annual property tax listed as $0, which sounds like a benefit until you realize it is a figure that needs to be independently verified before any offer goes in. And 361 days in a community of 489 people means the local market made its decision a long time ago. Now someone did the math. Rossburn is in the Parkland Agricultural Belt on Highway 5, connected to the Trans-Canada Trail via the former CN Rossburn subdivision rail. Riding Mountain National Park is a nearby destination. At the Rossburn Health Center at 166 Parkview Drive offers primary and long-term care for the community. Now, the property. Attached garage in a Manitoba winter is not a small detail. That is a quality-of-life asset that most properties at this price point across Canada do not include. All appliances already inside. 4 bedrooms across 2 levels. The sump pump and weeping tile were updated in 2008. The shingles were replaced. These are not glamorous updates. They are the ones that matter. Nobody wanted it for 361 days. The attached garage alone, at $105,000 in this province, is the math most buyers never ran. Property 4, Fox Creek, Alberta, $100,000 5 bedrooms. 3 bathrooms including a 2-piece ensuite. 1,181 square feet on the main floor. Fully finished basement, attached garage, corner lot. Built in 1975. $100,000, 1,617 days on the market, 1,617 days, 4.5 years. Why nobody wanted it? Civil enforcement sale, 50% interest only. You're buying half the legal ownership, not the whole thing. Sight unseen. Where is? As is. And not a single interior photo. Not one image of what is inside this house. Every clause in this listing is designed, intentionally or not, to make a buyer close the tab before finishing the first paragraph. For 4.5 years, every buyer did exactly that. Now someone did the math. Fox Creek Healthcare Center at 600 3rd Street has a 24/7 emergency department, a round-the-clock ER in a town of under 2,000 people. Fox Creek School serves kindergarten through grade 12 with approximately 398 students. Natural gas infrastructure is woven into the town itself. Fox Creek is an oil and gas community with 12 gas fields discovered in the surrounding area. Municipal water and sewer confirmed. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, attached garage, finished basement, corner lot. $100,000. The civil enforcement process is real legal complexity. A lawyer is not optional here. It is the first step. But the buyer who hired one and walked through the front door was not looking at a broken property in a broken town. They were looking at 4.5 years of buyers who read the first clause and stopped. No interior photos was not a disclosure. It was the reason nobody looked. Until someone did the math. Property 5, Tracadie, Nova Scotia, $90,000, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 673 square feet, 3 minutes from West Arm Beach, 8 minutes from Mayette Beach, 10 minutes from Barrios Beach, freehold title on Nova Scotia Trunk, Highway 4, $90,000, 464 days on the market. And this property has a number buried in it that the listing never mentions. That number is the most important thing in this entire video. Why nobody wanted it. The listing calls it a project cabin and a canvas, 673 square feet. Well water, septic system. The 464 days in a rural Nova Scotia parish says the listing reached its intended audience, and that audience decided the work was more than the location was worth. Now someone did the math. Antigonish County population grew from 19,301 in 2016 to 20,129 in 2021, a plus 4.3% increase. St. Martha's Regional Hospital in Antigonish serves as the nearest 24-hour emergency facility. The St. Peter's Roman Catholic Church, built between 1865 and 1870. This is an established, historically rooted community on a growing county's coastline. Now the number nobody in the listing is talking about. Assessed value in 2021, $44,900, or in 2025, $79,100. 76% assessment growth in 4 years. The asking price is $90,000. The gap between assessed value and asking price in 2025 is $10,900, and that gap is closing every single year the property sits on the market while values in Antigonish County continue climbing. Nobody wanted a 673-square-foot cabin project near 3 beaches. The assessment data says the market disagrees with every buyer who walked away. That number was always there. Nobody looked at it until someone did the math. Property 6, Holdfast, Saskatchewan, $34,900, 924 square feet, built in 1920. 2 bedrooms, 2 enclosed porches, our dining room, living room, kitchen, attached garage, 2 parking spaces, lot size, 13,503 square feet, all appliances included, municipal water and sewer, freehold, $34,900, 320 days on the market. Why nobody wanted it? 43 words in the listing description. No interior photos, or none that showed what was inside. The description leads with the lot and calls the structure a handyman special. When a listing leads with the lot and calls the building a handyman special, buyers translate that as, the house is not worth showing. At $34,900 in a village of 173 people in rural Saskatchewan, most buyers do not investigate further. There are 320 days of not investigating further. Now someone did the math. Holdfast is in the rural municipality of Sarnia, number 221, 97.6 kilometers northwest of Regina via Highway 2 and Highway 732. Municipal water and sewer are confirmed. This is a serviced lot with real municipal infrastructure, not a private well and septic situation. High-speed internet available. Gas station on Main Street. Bishop Cafe Restaurant. Community recreation through the Sarnia Community Complex. Now the lot. 13,503 square feet, over 3 times the size of a standard Canadian urban property. Attached garage. 2 enclosed porches that add livable square footage not counted in the 924-foot total. But the house has stood since 1920 on a serviced municipal lot, less than 100 kilometers from a provincial capital. Annual property tax, $1,250, $104 a month, on a $34,900 property. The listing hid the math. 43 words and no interior photos made sure of that. The math was there the whole time. 6 properties. 6 provinces. Here is how I rank them. Number 6, Tracadie, New Brunswick, $125,000. The most expensive on the list with electric baseboard heat, a crawl space, and a listing that never reached beyond its local market. The half-acre downtown location is real value. But the renovation budget required to make this livable competes directly with what the price is already asking. It ranks last. Number 5. Fox Creek, Alberta. $100,000 4.5 years and no interior photos. The civil enforcement complexity on a 50% interest is genuine, not cosmetic. The town underneath this property is solid, but the legal process required before any offer is the most demanding on this list. It ranks 5th. Number 4. Rossburn, Manitoba. $105,000 attached garage in Manitoba at $105,000 with all appliances included and updated fundamentals. The electric heat budget is real and needs honest calculation. But the math on the garage alone, at this price in this province, is what 361 days of buyers never ran. It ranks 4th. Number 3. Tracadie, Nova Scotia, $90,000. 76% assessment growth in 4 years near 3 Nova Scotia beaches in a growing county. The renovation is real, but the assessed value trajectory makes this the property most likely to look like an obvious decision in 3 years to whoever buys it today. It ranks 3rd. Number 2. Holdfast, Saskatchewan, $34,900. 13,000 square feet of serviced freehold land with an attached garage 100 kilometers from Regina for $34,900. The listing made sure nobody would look. The math makes sure the right buyer will not forget it. It ranks 2nd. Number 1. Prince George, British Columbia, $105,000, a growing city of 77,000 people. University Hospital, CN Rail, Highway 16 and Highway 97. 2 lots. Full basement. Natural gas heat. 14 words in the listing description. Court order sale. 411 days. The listing was the reason nobody wanted it. The city is the reason someone should have. This is number 1. These are real listings, real communities, real reasons nobody wanted them. But the math was real too. And in every single case, it was sitting right there in the data, waiting for one buyer to run one calculation that the market never bothered with. Which property would you actually buy? Drop the number in the comments, 1 through 6. Tell me one reason. I read every single one, and I will tell you what I think.